Hello again, it's Mrs. Dunn, and I have made something out of clay that I will show you how I made it, and then we're going to fire it, and we're going to do something really special to it, something called a raku firing, and we'll talk more about that later, okay? But first, here is my project. Now, some of you have taken clay with Miss Dunn, and I want you to watch and think about what technique I used to create my piece of art. So here it is. Now, did you guess what type of technique I used to create the artwork? It was a slab. I made it out of a slab of clay. That's when you make a flat sheet of clay. Now, one neat thing about this is if you kind of watched what I did, you could certainly do this with maybe, if you have clay at home, some of that air dry clay or the kind of clay that you bake in an oven. If you just roll it out into a flat sheet, you could kind of do the same thing. You could also do the same thing with a piece of paper. And instead of using the slip to glue the edges together like I did, you could use tape. So you could make your own little container out of paper. Now, here is the finished piece. Okay, let me see if I can flip this around because I'm not too good at this stuff. Oh, it's not going to flip around for me, but that's okay. All right, so here is my finished piece. Okay, and actually, I had a little more fun, and I made two more. So I have three of them in all different sizes. Aren't they cute? And they will actually, what's called nest, which means they can sit inside each other. So these need to dry, and hopefully they'll dry fast because they need to be totally dry, and then we'll put them in the kiln and they'll get fired in the kiln. Then I'll add some glaze, and then that's when we'll do the raku firing after that. So we're going to, next video is going to be me showing you how they get fired normally, and I don't know what I'll do after that, but we'll see. Bye for now.